back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. You guys, in this video, we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. So basically, what I am doing is I'm going to start doing some more like organizing videos. I know, you guys, I know. It's been a long time since I actually did that kind of content on my channel, but I am going to be doing some more organizing videos, and there is a couple of projects that is coming up. So I had to go to my favorite place, and that's the Dollar Tree, to just, you know, shop around and see what kind of storage items I can get. So in this haul, we're going to go over these things. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I did get some good finds. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know where I'm going to use them, where I'm gonna put them. I just picked them up and I'm like, hey, you know, because it's just something about, I don't know, when I go to the Dollar Tree, I don't really have like, I'm looking for this thing and that sort of thing. I just look at the container and just be like, just know in my mind, like I'm a visual person, like I could use that for something. I don't know what that something is, but I can use it for something. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video, okay? So the first item I got was, it's like an organized tray. Is it two of these? Okay, I got two of these beauties right here. And as you can see in this picture, they're just telling you like you use it for paper clips or things like that. I'm probably not gonna use it for that. I know I'm not gonna use it for that. I haven't really had an idea yet of what I'm using it for, but I got two of these. And again, they're like very lightweight, but they're not to the point where they'll just like crack in two or anything like that. So I think this is a good find from the Dollar Tree. So I got two of those. And then I picked up two of these size containers, and on the picture it was saying like how you can use it like for a cotton ball or something like that. I probably won't use it for that. It'll probably like maybe keep some kind of like, I don't know, maybe hair accessories, or I don't know what I'm gonna actually use this for, but I got two of these. And then I picked up some of these white string tags. I got some tags. You know what that means. Organizing idea. So I got these white tags. And then I picked up four of these. These are an oldie but goodie. I really have had these before. I had these in one of my videos where I actually was using it in the freezer. And basically what I labeled on there, I would like put the label for my meats, my frozen fruits, my frozen veggies. So I had that in my freezer. I have some of these in my freezer, but I think I'm gonna use this for definitely for something else. So I did pick up four of those. And I'm sorry guys if I got a glare, you know, the lighting is not really all that great right now, but I'm trying to get as much as I can done before it gets too dark. Okay, so then I got I love these, y'all. I have these are like a classic. These are like a staple. I have a lot of these throughout my home. Well, in my old home I had a lot of these, but they were like in a red color, but I found white and I went absolutely crazy. I don't know what it is, y'all. I'm on a white fetish. I feel like if I had an all white house, everything, the furniture white, the tables white, I'll be so satisfied. I don't know, I'm just on this white kick. But I did get several of these because I'm gonna use these probably on multiple projects that I have coming up. So I did get quite a bit of these. So this also was a great find. Moving right along. Classic. I always go to the Dollar Tree and get these kind of containers. They're actually food containers, you guys. These are like if you want to keep like in the picture, like it has spaghetti and stuff. But am I going to use these for food? Absolutely, positively not. These are not going to be used for food. So, but I think these are a great, another good organizing container. So, yep, I actually got three of these. And then I got, yay, these are my favorite, y'all. I got some of these, absolute, the cutest, y'all. I love these little trays. I call them trays. I got four of these trays. This is just a given. You know, this is so convenient for like your bathroom sink, or if you want to put them in your, not your bathroom sink, your bathroom, the dresser in your bathroom, or you can use this in your kitchen dressers, or you can use, like, these are really good, like these are good accessories, like if you want to put it in a dresser or something like that. These are ideal. These are very good to have. So I got four of these. Then I picked up these cuties. These were so cute. Here, come apart. I got two of these cutie little baskets. Now, I have seen a lot of people use these like in their laundry rooms and stuff like that. I'm not gonna use it in mine for that reason, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get these two and then I'll figure out later what I'm gonna use it to, but I'm really excited about using these, so I got two of these. And then I got, well, technically I had 4 of these, but before I can get the video, my daughter's like, Mom, can I go ahead and use one of these? Go figure. But I think she's using hers to house like her makeup in. I'm not sure. But I got 3 of these. Very nice size containers. I love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. I'm so excited, y'all, because I love having new, like, different organizing tools, because, yes, it makes a project so exciting. Also, I did pick up I found a very unique find, you guys. And this was absolutely amazing. You guys, look at this. Isn't this so freaking cute? I'm so happy that I found these because I know exactly what I can use these for. You gotta stay tuned, but just use your imagination. If you had some containers like this, what would you actually use them for? It's so many different things that you can use these for. So I'm really excited about it, but you'll see these definitely in my next organizing video. So you guys look forward to seeing these, but I thought these were a great find, and I'm super duper excited about it. So yes, on these 2 containers, this was sure to win. Okay. And then last but not least, I got these babies right here. Yes. I got 4 of these white baskets. I love the size of these baskets. You can do a lot with these baskets, if you know what I mean. So I'm really excited about doing this. About using these as well. And yeah, I got 4 of these. I got 4 of these baskets. So that basically concludes my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.